after getting the power of his guru, the disciple Swami Vivekananda decided now he should start doing the work what the master has entrusted him, what the guru has given him the responsibility. So he decided to go to the America to attend Parliament of Religion at Chicago. But before going there, he wanted to get the blessing of Ma. Do you know who was the Ma? The Ma was Ma Sharda, wife of Ramakrishna Paramhans. And even Ramakrishna Paramhans never accepted her as a wife, but accepted her as Ma. Always used to tell her Ma. Ma means mother. So he has given her the honor of mother. Even Swami Vivekananda also has given to Ma Sharda the honor of a mother. He always respected her as her own mother, as a divine mother, because she was the divine mother of the people of all the disciples of Ramakrishna. So Swami Vivekananda went to him to get the blessing because he was planning to go to the foreign country. And he told, Ma, আমি বিদেশে যাচ্ছি আর তোমার আশীর্বাদ চাই. I'm going to the foreign country, so I need your blessing. Mother Sharada told, go to the kitchen and bring one knife. Swami Vivekananda went to the kitchen and brought one knife and gave in the hand of Ma Sharda. Ma Sharda took the knife, and after that she told that you can go now in any part of the world. My blessing is always with you. Swamiji was very much surprised. He asked the question from Ma Sharda. The Ma, one thing I could not understand. One thing I could not understand. I came to ask blessing from you. I came to ask blessing from you, but instead of giving the blessing, first you told me to go to the kitchen and bring the knife. And after giving the knife to you, you have given me the blessing without asking any question. What is the reason behind it? Ma Sharda told, listen carefully. আমি তোমাকে বললাম কিচেনে গিয়ে ছুরি নিয়ে আসতে. তুমি ছুরিটা নিয়ে এলে, আর ছুরিটা আমাকে দেওয়ার সময় তুমি যে ছুরির কাঠের পার্টটা যেটাতে ধরা হয় সেটা তুমি আমার দিকে রাখলে, আর শার্প পার্টটা যেটা ধরলে হাত কেটে যেতে পারে সেই পার্টটা তুমি নিজের দিকে রাখলে. তার মানে তুমি আমার সেফটিটাকে প্রথম প্রেফারেন্স দিলে, ইম্পর্টেন্স দিলে, আর তুমি নিজের সেফটিটাকে ইম্পর্টেন্স দিলে না. তার মানে হচ্ছে তোমার মধ্যে কত বেশি মানুষের প্রতি ভালোবাসা, কত বেশি করুণা আছে, এটা দেখেই আমি বুঝতে পারলাম. সেই জন্যে আমি তোমায় বললাম, তোমার দ্বারা জগতের কল্যাণ হবে, তোমার দ্বারা মানুষের ভালো হবে. তুমি কারোর কিছু ক্ষতি করতে পারবে না. তুমি পৃথিবীর যে কোনো জায়গায় যাবে, তুমি শুধুমাত্র মানুষের ভালো করবে, জগতের কল্যাণ করবে. সেই জন্য আমার আশীর্বাদ তোমার ওপরে রইল. I understood the kind of compassion, the kind of feeling and love you have in your heart. You will not be able to harm anybody else in this world. Wherever you will go, you will help the people. You will show the compassion to the people. You will show the love to the people. And if you have so much love and compassion for the people, then you can go any part of the world and you will be helping the people, and people will gain lots and lots of things from you. People will learn lots and lots of things from you. So you must go. That was a unique way, unique style of Ma Sharda's style of checking Swami Vivekananda's heart. And after that, this saint of India from Calcutta started for the Chicago, America, without a single penny, a single paisa in his pocket. He started with the confidence, he started with the strength, he started with the blessing of Ma Sharda, he started with the blessing and power and energy of his master, his teacher, his guru, Ramakrishna Paramhans. He was there in the Parliament of Religion at Chicago in America. At last his turn came and there was an announcement that a saint from India, Swami Vivekananda, should come on the dais to deliver his speech. Swami Vivekananda came on the dais and with great love and gratitude, he started looking at the audience, 7,000 audience sitting in the auditorium. And after that he started with 5 words. And those 5 words were only sisters and brothers of America. The moment he uttered these 5 words, 7,000 people sitting there in the auditorium, they all stood up and started clapping, and clapping continues for 2.5 minutes. Because it was a shocking experience for the people. The kind of energy, kind of love, kind of feeling which came along with these words, it had a magical experience and magical effect in the mind of the people, those who were present in that auditorium. They never heard, they never saw this kind of power, this kind of energy, this kind of stamina from a young person. All the notion which they had earlier about India and Indians, that it is a poor country and it is a third world country, all those ideas and notion got shattered in their brain. And there was a wow factor. They started looking at Swami Vivekananda, that young sannyasi, with a great surprise and with expectation that what he is going to speak the next. And next what he has spoken, everything was related with the Vedantas. It was related with the Vedas and Upanishads. And when he started talking about the philosophy of the Indian culture, Indian traditions, Indian values, Indian Vedas and Upanishad, it was a shocking experience for the people of all over the world, those who were present in that conference. Because those ideas were so unique.